Now today I'll be sharing on how you can remove a really stuck and stubborn axle without any special tools. In fact, just two basic hand tools that you already may have in the garage. Now let me share with you two things I have already tried. Of course, a set of pry bars. Look how long these pry bars are. Roughly 18 inches. This one is 15 inches in length. And the ends are completely bent. These are shot. I can no longer use these. That's how stubborn this axle is. I also have a 23-inch snap-on flathead screwdriver. This thing has helped me so many times in tight spots. Again, this axle does not want to move. In fact, I was pressing on the handle with my foot. All of my strength on the handle. This thing is not moving. However, this should help you immensely. A 3 or 4 pound hammer and a chisel. Now look at the shape of the chisel. You do not want something like this. This may not work. You need something that's quite thick. Also get one that has a little bit more length. This is 7 inches. You really want something 10 to 12. That will give you more working room, but this will do the job. Now this is what's left of the axle. It's something I did a previous video on. Nonetheless, this will work if the axle is completely intact on your vehicle. So let's insert, right there is where you're inserting that chisel. Now once again, you want a long chisel. If this was longer, I would have more success or better success because it's hard to hold. I think that did it. We're almost there. Almost there. A little bit more. That's it. We got it. Use the chisel. Makes all the difference. Okay. Thank you for watching.